In the quiet of the morning, when the world is fast asleep, I can feel your spirit moving, whispering over me. Through the storms and through the fire, you are standing by my side. Even when I cannot see you, you are closer than my breath. Closer than my breath, nearer than my heartbeat, loving me through every step. You carried my sin to Calvary. Closer than my breath, Jesus, you're